Hello everybody, today we'll try to save another power supply, 1000 watt Thermaltake. The man who brought it to me said his PC was working fine in the evening, and next morning he tried to turn on his PC and it didn't turn on. He put another power supply and everything worked. So that is why it is here. I turned the power on, lamp blinked, but I don't know why it is glowing, because the switch on the power supply is turned off. That is strange. And as you can see, there is no life in it. I shunted the lamp, but still nothing. Okay, we have to open it. Probably there is a problem with standby voltage, but we will see. The seal is not broken, as you can see, which is good. We would be the first inside. Alright, I removed the screws. Let's remove the lead. Like this. And there are lots of dust. This is very unpleasant to work with such power supplies, so I will clean it before proceeding to open it further. But at the first sight I don't see anything obvious. This is pretty good power supply, quite heavy. Not the cheapest. Filters, radiator. I don't know why they covered standby power supply with this radiator. Okay, let's clean. I cleaned the power supply. Now it looks much better. Now I have to remove screws from this side and open the power supply like this. Some dust here. Also I can see some flux, probably factory flux. Don't forget to discharge the capacitor, because it is dangerous. Yeah, that's definitely a factory flux, but I think it was done after the conveyor. Somebody maybe decided to add some solder. I don't know why. Anyway, let's find the reason. And I started to look at the power supply, at the standby voltage, at the standby IC, and I immediately noticed that the resistor, this one on the left, is blown. It's open circuit. It is 2.2 ohm resistor. Also I checked the power for IC. There is a Zener diode. I removed it on one side in order to check it. These are usually 18 volts, 18, 16, something like this. And as you can see, it is 55, 0.0055, which is very low. And on the power line for IC, it is even lower, 0.007. Also I removed the optocoupler, which is good. As you can see, it's working like it's supposed to. So let's find replacement and see. First I removed the bad components. Let's check those off circuit, just for the record. In ohms mode, the Zener diode is 33 ohms, 2.2 ohm resistor is infinity, open loop, and PWM controller is 3.6 ohms, 3.1 actually. Optocoupler is good, as I said. Now I will find a new IC and proceed. Okay, that's the new IC. I have those laying around, and as you can see, it's mega ohms and diode drop compared to this 0.07. Okay, let's put it and the rest of the components, which was done and cleaned even better than factory now. That's the Zener diode in another form. I didn't have 2.2 resistor, so I put 1.1 to 1.1 ohm resistor and 2 amps SMD fuse. Probably it will help if the same problem will occur. Anyway, that wouldn't be worse to have a fuse. As you can see, 2.9, wire resistance 0.7 and 2.2 like it's supposed to be. Actually, we can put a wire there, that would work the same, but I wanted to have some current limit for standby PWM IC. Okay, now we are ready to check it. The same power supply, isolating transformer. By the way, the PS on, the turn on switch of the power supply is not switching the phase like always, it is switching the power to PWM IC. As you can see now, I turn on the transformer, lamp blinked and stays glowing. Now I switched on the power to PWM IC and indicator glowing, which is a good sign. And as you can see, the power supply started. I shunted the lamp, everything works, so we are ready to put everything back and see one more time. Okay, everything is back. Now it's already powering from mains. Let's connect the tester like so. Turn it on and all the voltages are here, PS power good here. So we save this power supply. If you like it, give it a like and see you next time. Bye.